Write down the chapter's name. Functions graphs. Function graph. Write down a definition, a line, parallel to y-axis cuts the curve at most one point. At most one point, then this is a function. This is a function. For example, if you take x square is equal to 4ay, can you tell me the name of the curve x square is equal to 4ay? Which name is known as? This is known as parabola. Okay. This is known as parabola. And its graph is x square is equal to 4ay. Okay. Now a line parallel to y-axis cuts the curve this point. Then this is a function. Is this function or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, because of it cuts at one point. Okay. Second question is y square is equal to 4ax. Its graph is this. It will be function or not?
No.
No, because it cuts 2 points. Okay. Now write down fast.
Okay.
Okay. So that now I am giving few examples which you have to choose. Is this function or not? Yes or no?
No.
Very good. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
No.
So that all of these are functions or not. Okay. So that one question must be done. Okay. Now take function. One more example. Y equal to mod x. You know about the mod x? This is known as mod x. M-O-D. Mod x. It means it will be always greater than 0 for x belongs to R. For example, if you take x is equal to 2, mod x will be 2. X is equal to minus 2, mod x will be 2. X is equal to minus 7. Can you tell me what is the value of mod x? Plus 7 or minus 7?
-7.
No, it will be always positive. This is mod x. You see here, if x is equal to minus 2, then you can write minus 2. It will be also 2. Okay, 2 also 2. So that you can take plus minus x, it will be equal to x. So that mod x is equal to 7. X is equal to 5. Mod x is equal to 5. X is equal to minus 100. Mod x is equal to, it will be also 100. Okay. Got it? Nihal, it's audible? Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, plot the graph of mod x. If you take x is equal to minus 1, mod x will be 1. If you take x is equal to 0, mod x 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, minus 2, 2, 3, 3, minus 3, 3. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
What if it's a radical?
Sorry.
If it's a radical inside the mod,
This is x, mod x.
it can only be integers.
Yeah. If you take minus 1, it will be 1.
Can it be a decimal inside?
Sorry. Again, you tell me.
Can it be decimal or
Decimal.
radical?
Yeah. No. Decimal be also. If you want to take 0.1, it will be 0.1. If you want to take minus 0.1, it will be also 0.1. It is not necessary for integer. It will for
What if
x.
it's a square root?
Square root is different things. Different thing. This means x squared. It will be equal to mod x. Okay. And square root of x, where x greater than 0, greater than equal to 0. It will be discussed later. First, I start mod x. After that, I will start square root of x, different things. Okay. So that you tell me the value of x lies between first and second quadrant, and it will be also lies in first and second quadrant. Okay. So that if you take the graph, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. It is 1, it is 2, it is 3. Now tell me, when you take x is equal to minus 1, y equal to 1, it will be here. X is equal to 0, it will be here. X is equal to 1, y equal to 1. X is equal to 2, y equal to 2. X is equal to minus 2, y equal to 2. X is equal to minus 3, y equal to 3. X is equal to 3 and y equal to 3. So that its graph will be easy. Got it? Mod x will be always greater than equal to 0, so that its graph lies between first and second quadrant. Okay? Mod x will be always positive for x belongs to I. Any problem?
No.
No. Write down.
Okay.
Okay. Now, second point is you want to plot the graph of y equal to minus mod x. So that you write, we take the mirror image of mod x with respect to x-axis. Okay. If the graph of mod x is this, then the graph of minus mod x will be this. Got it? This is minus mod x. Write down. You will write properly, then you will get the explanation of the graph. Write properly, point by 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Okay. Third point is y equal to mod of x minus 1. You put x is equal to 1, you will get y equal to 0. If you put y equal to 0, sorry, x is equal to 0, then you will get y equal to 1. Yes or no?
Yeah, 0 minus 1.
Okay. 0 minus 1 in the mod, it will equal to minus 1 mod. It will equal to plus 1 or minus 1?
1.
Plus 1. Plus 1?
Yeah.
Okay. So that it is not passes through origin. It does not pass through origin. Zero comma 0. So that its graph will be x is equal to 1, y equal to 0. Put here. X is equal to 0, y equal to 1. Put here. So that this, it will be the graph of minor or mod of x minus. Okay. Any problem? You just see when you put x is equal to 0, y equal to 1, y equal to 0, and x is equal to 1.
Okay.
Got it? Okay. Now, y equal to mod of x plus 1. First of all, you plot the graph, then I will explain and you will match it. X is equal to -1. Y will be 0. X is equal to 0. Y will be 1. Got it? When you put here X is equal to -1, it will be 0 or yes or not.
Yeah, why do you use 1 and 0? Or negative 1 and 0 for X?
Because of I want to locate the point on x-axis. Can you tell me? On the x-axis, you take y equal to 0. You know this? And on y-axis, you take x is equal to 0. Yes or no? You know about this? No.
Mm.
I want to ask a question. If you take x plus y is equal to 3, you want to x coordinate. Then y equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. Yes. And if you take x is equal to 0, then y equal to 3. X is equal to 0, y equal to 0. Where it will be located? On x-axis or y-axis? On x-axis. And where it will be located? On y-axis. Got it? 3, 0, 0, 3. Yes or no?
How did you get 3, 0, and 0, 3 from x
Okay.
plus y equals 3?
Okay. I took another example for this time. X, if you take x is equal to 0, then 0 plus y equal to 3, you will get y equal to 3, yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So that x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0, 3, where it will be located? On the y-axis or on the x-axis?
Y-axis.
On the y-axis. Okay. It means when you want to point on y-axis, it means x is equal to 0. And when you want to point on the x-axis, then it will be y equal to 0. So that in the graph, it is the most important. You have to choose the point on the x-axis and y-axis. When you put y equal to 0, mod of x plus 1, so that x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to -1. Got it? Any problem?
No.
So that x is equal to -1 and y equal to 0. Similarly, when you put x is equal to 0, 0 plus 1, it will be equal to 1, y equal to 1. 0 and 1. When you plot the graph, x is equal to -1 here and y equal to 1 here, so that the graph will be this. For which? Mod of x plus 1. Got it?
Why is the number 0 used? Why not something else?
If you want to point on the x-axis here, then its coordinate is -1, 0. This is x and this is y. And here, if you want to point 0, 1, then this is x and this is y. If you take another point, such as if you want to x is equal to 1 by 2 for here, then y will be 3 by 2. So that x is equal to 1 by 2, y equal to 3 by 2, here it will be point. Here it will be point. For the finding on the x-axis and y-axis, you put x is equal to 0 and y equal to. Write down one by one. Note. I explain again. Note. Write down. For x coordinate, y equal to 0. For y coordinate, Tell me. X is equal to 0. Okay.
So you put 0 in the equation.
Yeah, I'm giving another example. Two x plus 3y equal to 6. Okay. And you want to plot the graph. If you want to point A on the x-axis, means y equal to 0. Put here y equal to 0. It means 2x plus 0 is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. So that this line cuts the x-axis at the point 3, 0. Got it? If you want to point on the y-axis, it means you have to put x is equal to 0. 0 plus 3y equal to 6, so that y equal to 2. It means its point is 0, 2. Plot the graph, and this line will be this. So that this is the y coordinate, this is the x coordinate. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So that is the concept of the first concept of the graph of x-axis and y-axis. You have to plot the graph. You will find the first point on the x-axis, and after that point on the y-axis. Okay. Write down one by one.
Okay.
Okay. Now, tell me one more example. 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Can you tell me? Point on x-axis and point on y-axis. Tell me.
For x-axis, you put 0 in for x.
For the x-axis, you will put y equal to 0.
Y equals to 0. Okay.
Put here 3x plus 0 is equal to 12. X is equal to 4. So that it will cut the x-axis at 4, 0. Okay. Any problem?
No.
And point on the y-axis, tell me.
Three.
Point on the y-axis 3, 0. No, 0, 3. Okay. Now, write fourth point. Y equal to mod of x plus 1. Mod of x plus 1. Okay. If you point x is equal to 0, y equal to mod of 0 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Got it? Yes
Yeah.
or no? Okay.
Yeah.
If you put y equal to 0, mod x plus 1, so that mod x is equal to minus 1. Is it possible?
No.
No. So that why not possible? It means it does not cut or touch the x-axis. It does not touch or cut x-axis. Okay, so that its graph will be x, and this point will be 0, comma. Okay. Right now.
Okay.
Now, fifth, y equal to mod x minus 1. You just put x is equal to 0, y equal to 0, and tell me what are the values of x, y, and where its graph will be located. If you put x is equal to 0, then y will be minus 1.
Yeah.
And when y equal to 0, then mod x is equal to 1. It means x is equal to plus minus 1. Yes or no?
Why is it plus minus 1?
Because of when you put mod 1, then it is also 1. And when you take mod minus 1, then it is also 1. Yes or no?
Why is it plus minus? Yeah.
Yeah, so that x is equal to plus minus 1. Got it?
Why is it plus and minus?
Because of if you take mod x is equal to 1, then what are the possible values of x? Plus 1 or minus 1, both are possible. Because of plus 1 mod, it will be also 1. And minus 1 mod, it is also 1. Is any confusion about the modulus?
So the mod plus always gives you positive.
Yeah, it will be
value.
always positive. Write down. I explained earlier. Mod
Okay,
x,
so why does it say plus minus if it's
Again-
only positive?
again, I am telling you. You tell me, what is the value of mod 2?
2.
2. What is the value of minus 2?
2.
2. So that for the single value of 2, here there are two values, plus 2 and minus 2.
Yeah.
So that here it is mod x is equal to 1. It means mod 1 is also 1. And mod minus 1 is also 1.
Yeah.
So that for the single values of 1, you can take plus 1, minus 1 both.
Yeah.
So that if you take mod x is equal to 1, it means x is equal to plus minus 1. Now got it? Nihal, this is mod x is equal to 1.
Yeah.
It means x is equal to plus 1 and x is equal to minus 1, both possible.
Yeah.
So that we can write combine plus minus 1. You don't know about this?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so that plus minus 1 not simultaneously. Plus minus 1 means one value is 1 and other value is minus 1. They are separately. Okay.
Okay.
So that now the time to come, the plot, the graph. The value of x is equal to 0, y equal to what? -1. So that this is -1. 0, comma, -1. Got it? And this is 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, sorry. So that the graph will be this and this. Okay. Nihal, any problem? Because of
No.
on the x-axis, it will cut here, and point will be -1, comma 0, 0, comma, sorry, 1, comma. Okay. How many points you have written? 5. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. So that class is over this time, and when you will join from the next class, then I will explain for the other function. Other function. Okay.
So we went over, what did we go over today?
Functions graph.
Functions.
Yeah, for more example of the function, and you can see that shifting of graph. Shifting of graph. From the next class, I will start. Okay.
Are we
And
gonna do differentiation?
after that, or you want to differentiation?
Yeah, I wanna do differentiation.